Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert an MP4 file into MP3 on Android or iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Now for this video, I am using an Android, but please note that it works exactly the same way for an iPhone as well. So the first thing I want you to do is head over to the internet, go on Google, search for file converter, and then look for the Cloud Convert website. In my case, it's right here. In your case, it might be a little bit lower depending on where the website is ranking, but it's a great website because it's so easy to use. What you want to do from here is click Convert. Choose the first format of the file that we want to convert. In this case, it's MP4. You can either search it up in the little search bar right there or use one of the kind filters on the side. But I think just searching it up is easier. Once done, click Go, and then MP4 is going to pop up. Then for the to format, you want to go to Audio or again search for MP3 and click on MP3. Then select your file. You're going to have a Choose Action screen. In my case, I go to File, and then I need to look for my MP4 file, which is right there. Click on that. Once I've done that, I need to click on Convert, and within a few seconds, my MP4 file is going to convert into MP3. Just like that, all I need to do is click Download, and my MP3 file is going to be downloaded on my Android device. So that's basically how you can convert an MP4 file into MP3 on Android or iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.